Hello and welcome to the Konar Cooks. Let me share with you the fascinating Bengali obsession with Posto. Bengalis have a deep rooted love for this magical ingredient, known for its unique taste and flavor that enhances any dish it touches. Some of the most common posto recipes are aloo posto, pyaj posto, kopi posto, jhingi posto, bati posto, etc. But today I want to introduce you to a unique posto recipe using green raw tomatoes freshly plucked from a kitchen garden. This dish stands out from the usual posto recipes due to the tangy and refreshing flavors that the raw tomatoes bring. The tanginess perfectly complements the nuttiness of posto, resulting in a vibrant and unforgettable culinary experience. So, if you haven't had the pleasure of tasting posto yet, I hope I have convinced you to give it a try once. Its versatility and distinct flavor makes it a staple in Bengali households. Trust me, once you experience the magic of posto, you will be enticed to explore its many delightful possibilities. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.